play a game with audience sound effects, and Bridget, the audience volunteer, will do all the sound effects. What are you looking at me for? All right. So does she take the mic and do that?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, you'll have 3 minutes for your scene about a fox. Or foxes, or whatever.
Johnny? Yes, Dad? This is a gun.
Oh.
Yes. Today is the big day.
Oh. Calm
You
down.
gotta go out and make you a man.
Johnny.
Perhaps you misunderstand me. No. We're gonna shoot at other things.
Oh.
All right. That's what we do in our family. So, here, take this one and follow me outside.
All right.
Now, it's a little windy today.
Yes.
So you have to remember to account for that, because wind can affect a bullet. Yes.
I'll shoot downwind from me.
Now, first of all, don't point the gun at me, Johnny. I just oiled the gun, so...
My hands are a little slippery. All set, Dad.
Okay. Put it on. There we go. Now, Johnny, Joey, Johnny,
Johnny. Only got 15 years, Dad.
Sometimes I get confused. Now,
Dad?
yes.
Is that a bear?
Safety doesn't work, apparently. All right.
Hey there, Matt, teaching a boy how to shoot, huh?
That's right, I am. Go.
That boy ain't never gonna learn how to shoot.
I bet he can beat your boy in a shooting match.
Oh, you think so?
Yes, I can.
Hey, stop! Come on out here. Our neighbors here just challenged us, or you rather, to a little shooting match.
Shoot, man.
A shooting match.
Shoot.
I'm gonna go get the gun in.
Oh my God.
You go get it.
Father?
Yes.
Can we cheat?
Yes, it's a family way.
I thought I would ride the motorcycle while chasing him downwind with the gun. That would give me an edge, don't you think?
It would.
I'll go get it.
Go get the motorcycle.
It's a shotgun, not pistols.
Oh. It's good to know that your son is always armed. Now.
What is it? All right. We go in this match.
You make me sad to be your father.
But it was smaller than the gun.